Who owns the assets inside of an irrevocable trust? You don't own them. The trustee doesn't own them. The beneficiaries don't own them. The trust itself is what owns the assets inside the trust. And then the trust holds those assets on behalf of your beneficiaries. The trustee manages those assets on behalf of your beneficiaries, and you give assets on behalf of your beneficiaries. And so the trust is what's going to hold those assets and own them. And then you're going to file those assets on the trust tax returns. The trustee is a person that manages all of that on your behalf. So they're managing the assets, they're filing the tax returns, they're distributing those assets out to your beneficiaries. All you're doing is putting the assets in there, setting up the trust, letting the trustee manage it, and then your beneficiaries will be able to benefit from those assets. And so people will set these up for asset protection generally, because if you have a lawsuit coming after you, let's say you get into a car accident, you injure someone, they sue you, they can't touch those assets if they're set up correctly inside the irrevocable trust. If you pass away and you owe debts to someone, say a mortgage or personal loans or whatever it's going to be, they won't be able to touch those assets because they are inside of the irrevocable trust. So you have asset protection from creditors and lawsuits coming after your assets, and then that way you can protect those and be able to pass them down to your beneficiaries. If you want help setting any of this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to someone on our team.